How many pistons can you cram into a combustion engine? 12? 16? Maybe over 100? Sure, V12S from Lamborghini or the new V16 from Bugatti sound wild. Even a V20 used in aircraft, or the 28-cylinder Pratt & Whitney radial with 72 liters and 4,000 horsepower. Impressive, right? But none of them come close to what's already been built. Meet the Soviet Zvezda marine engines. The M503 uses 7 6-cylinder radial blocks, totaling 42 cylinders. The M504, 7 8-cylinder blocks. That's 56 pistons. But the real monster, Zvezda M507, 14 inline-8 units, 112 pistons, 384 liters, over 10,000 horsepower. And yes, it was used to power boats, not rockets.